If you have ever had a need to sum multiple columns with multiple criteria, this video will show how to use the SUMPRODUCT formula as a more powerful SUMIFS. Starting off, I created a quick sales chart using the rand function at the heart of it. The end result gives a random number between 0 and 5 inclusive. To lock these numbers in place, a quick copy and paste as values. Before moving into SUMPRODUCT, let's start with SUMIF as a refresher. SUMIF requires 2 arguments and 1 optional. In this case, all 3 arguments will be entered. This SUMIF is adding up all Apple sales under each area. SUMIF, the first argument will be the range of products. Second argument, select the desired fruit, Apple in this case. And lastly, select the range of sales to sum. With the proper anchors in place, drag fill the formula to the other cells. Summing areas 1, 2, 3 gives the total for region 1. This next method using SUMPRODUCT will demonstrate its non-traditional ability to sum across multiple columns. Still are 2 products. This time, instead of summing areas, we can sum regions. Type equals SUMPRODUCT. The first range is the if portion of the formula. In this case, it's looking for Apple. Selecting the range of the products, equal sign, select the desired fruit. This portion must be contained in parentheses. Next, instead of a comma, use the asterisk or the multiplication sign. Then select the range of sales numbers that fall under region 1. The results are identical, with 53 units of apples and 54 units of oranges. Filling in regions 2 and 3 and checking the entirety of the sum. Also identical results at 308 units. SUMPRODUCT is a better version of SUMIFS, where it can also take into consideration 2 or more criteria. This last example combines the drop-down list and the superior SUMPRODUCT formula, showcasing Excel's versatility. Type equals SUMPRODUCT. First check, select the range of sales ID, equal sign, the desired number, and close in parentheses, multiplication sign. Now second check, select the range of products, equal sign, the desired fruit, and close that also in parentheses. Multiplication sign, select the range of sales numbers. This last example combines the drop-down list and the superior SUMPRODUCT formula, showcasing its versatility.